Welcome to the Best PEX. The Best PEX Clamp is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any plumber or DIY enthusiast working with PEX plumbing systems, known for its flexibility, resistance to scale and chlorine, lower shipping costs, and ease of installation. Choosing the right PEX clamp can make or break your project, ensuring a secure, leak-free connection that stands the test of time. Today, we will review the top PEX clamps available on the market, helping you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. iCRIMP PEX Tool Kit. It works with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer, making PEX connections from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. It's also compatible with single-ear hose clamps within the jaws range. This is a multifunction tool. It cinches clamps and also removes them from pipes, allowing for reuse of fittings. This saves you time and money. It's made of high-quality steel with a forging process for durability and long life. The precision-cut jaws ensure a perfect fit. Switching between cinching and removing functions is easy. The ratcheting design and self-release mechanism make cinching effortless, no calibration needed. This complete kit includes the cinch and remove tool, a PEX cutter, and clamps in 2 sizes. Everything you need for PEX pipe installation is right here. What we like. This kit has everything you need for PEX pipe installation, including a tool, cutter, and clamps. It's incredibly user-friendly, even for beginners. If you value convenience and durability, this is the perfect choice for your next project. What people say. All the plumbing is PEX, so having spare clamps and a few feet of tubing comes in handy. They work very well and simple to use. This iCRIMP Ratchet PEX cinch tool really is an all-in-one tool kit. It included the cinch tool, pipe cutter, 2 sizes of pipe clamps, and instructions. I simply followed the how-to printed on the card. I set the cinch to cut and remove the clamp. And then I used the pipe cutter to remove the kink. The instructions even told me to use a heat gun to get the pipe off the fitting. I put the clamp on the pipe, slid both onto the fitting, changed the cinch tool back to cinch, and tightened the clamp. First time, no problems, no leaks, great. I used this to make 2 1-2 joints so far, and it worked perfectly. It's a sturdy took and could do 1-2 joints all day without any problem. For 1-2 connections, it is a good tool for the price and completely adequate. Number 4. KOTTO Ratchet PEX Crimping Tool Kit. This handheld tool features a remarkably efficient ratcheting mechanism and a top-tier crimping die, ensuring consistently reliable crimps every time. It's perfect for a variety of applications. It meets ASTM F2098 standards and works with stainless steel clamps from any manufacturer, handling PEX connections from 3/8 to 1. It also cinches hose clamps. This tool comes pre-adjusted, so there's no need for extra calibrations. A bonus calibration tool and upgraded storage bag are also included for convenience. Beyond tightening clamps, it expertly removes them from pipes, allowing for reuse of pipe fittings. This saves you time and money. This kit includes the crimping tool, a PEX cutter, 21 2-inch clamps, 10 3/4-inch clamps, a calibration tool, and a convenient storage bag. Everything you need in one place. What we like. This professional-grade tool provides consistently reliable crimps and is compatible with various clamps. It's also great for removing clamps, saving you money and time. If you're a professional plumber or DIY enthusiast seeking efficiency and reliability, this is the ideal option. What people say. Worked like a charm. I keep it in the camper with an extra length of PEX hose so I can promptly address any water leak issues while out in the sticks. The cutting tool sliced through the 1-2 PEX pipe like it was butter. The lightweight tool was also able to trim off 1/8 of the PEX without slipping if you keep a steady hand. The crimps were clean and did not disengage until the crimp was complete. This tool was a fraction of the cost of the recommended tool, and for my DIY usage, I figured would work fine. It has not disappointed. Did everything I needed it to. Coming with the cutter and clamps was a bonus as well. Number 3. EFIELD PEX Clamps. Introducing EFIELD PEX Clamps, your reliable solution for secure pipe connections. These clamps are compatible with all major PEX brands and are built to last. Made from high-quality 304 stainless steel, they offer excellent corrosion and heat resistance. It ensures long-lasting performance in various conditions. The innovative 360-degree design provides a stepless, secure grip on your PX tubing. This ensures a leak-proof seal every time. Installation is a breeze with these clamps. You only need one tool for all clamp sizes, saving you time and effort. This pack contains 100 clamps, perfect for any large or small plumbing project. Get the job done efficiently and effectively. Rest assured knowing that these clamps are manufactured with American certification, guaranteeing quality and reliability. You can trust them for all your PX connections. What we like. These clamps are made of high-quality stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting performance and resistance to corrosion. The bulk pack provides excellent value for large projects. If you need a large quantity of durable, reliable clamps, this is your best bet. What people say. I used this to install iCRIMP unit I set up myself with aftermarket cinch clamp tool purchased here at Amazon. Every clamp I did, no failure to clamp. Most importantly, there is no leak at all. Nice snug fit. EFIELD PEX crimps are heavier than most and take a little more muscle to close the EWIS crimper, but they never break or fail. I have been having lots of trouble with other brands failing before the crimp is solid. This means tearing apart the work and starting over with a new crimp. Number 2. iCRIMP PEX Clamp Tool Kit PC CRP 1096. This comprehensive kit makes working with PX tubing a breeze. It's got everything you need for secure and reliable connections. It crimps and removes PX clamps, saving you time and effort. This versatile tool handles various PX tubing sizes. It ensures secure connections with stainless steel PX clamp rings. These rings are corrosion resistant for long-lasting performance. The kit comes in a handy carrying case, keeping everything organized and easy to transport. It includes a tubing cutter for clean cuts. It's built to last, meeting ASTM F2098 standards. It's also NSF certified, ensuring quality and safety. The included tubing cutter slices through PX tubing up to 1 inch in diameter with ease. Say goodbye to messy cuts. What we like. This kit offers a versatile tool that can both install and remove PX clamps, making it perfect for various projects. It also includes a cutter and a selection of clamps. If you need a complete and versatile solution for PX pipe work, this is the one for you. What people say. The tool works well, comes with decent instructions, the bands are good quality and I had no issues using the tool. The iCRIMP PX Clamp Tool Kit is an excellent addition to my toolbox. It includes a variety of crimp connectors in different sizes, making it versatile for various PX plumbing projects. The tool itself is sturdy and well made, making crimping quick and easy. One of my favorite features is the ability to use the tool to remove rings as well. This saves me a ton of time and hassle when adjustments are needed. The included PX tubing cutter is sharp and precise, making clean cuts every time. The tools are made from durable materials that feel solid and reliable in hand. The design of the iCRIMP tools is incredibly user-friendly. The handles are comfortable to grip, even during extended use, and the overall ergonomics are well thought out. The toolkit includes all the necessary pieces to handle various PEX installations efficiently, making it a comprehensive solution for any job. One of the standout features is the precision of the crimping tool. It provides consistent, tight crimps every time, ensuring a secure and leak-free connection. Number 1. LOKMAN PX Cinch Clamps. These clamps are a must-have for any plumbing project. They're made from high-quality stainless steel for superior durability and corrosion resistance. It is constructed from premium 304 stainless steel, ensuring they are salt-resistant, rust-proof, and corrosion-resistant, built to last. The interlocking rings create a complete, watertight seal around your PX pipes. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your connections are secure. They are compatible with all major brands of crimp PX fittings. It is suitable for various applications, making them incredibly versatile. Use them in hydronic heating systems, air conditioning systems, water heaters, and more. They provide a strong and reliable connection every time. These clamps are specifically designed for 1/2-inch, 17.5 mm, PX pipes. Ensure a precise and secure fit for your project. What we like. These clamps are constructed from premium stainless steel, providing superior corrosion resistance and a secure, watertight seal. They are built to last. If you prioritize quality and durability in your plumbing projects, then this is the right choice for you. What people say. The LOKMAN 50-pack 1-inch PX stainless steel cinch clamps are clamping down as intended with no leaks and seem to be as good as the higher-priced clamps. I didn't know myself until I started a project under my camper sink to repair a leaking water line. These are a super value, sturdy for the job, and they work. This was my first experience with PX piping, and I went with 1-inch size for good flow. These clamps are nice and thick, thusly requiring a good deal of force when securing them onto the fittings. My advice is to get the most sturdy clamp tool you can find to use with these. It won't matter whether you use 1 2-inch, 3/4, or 1 PX, the tool is exactly the same. The size of the clamp matches the pipe size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.